Hi there and welcome to DD Creative. Thanks for joining. So today I want to talk a little bit about Clubhouse. So first of all, what is Clubhouse? It's a new social media app that's for iPhone only. It's not currently available on Android, so sorry to all the Android users out there. Now, it's a bit like an interactive podcast where you can drop in on live conversations. These conversations are known as rooms, and there are so many to choose from. I love Clubhouse because it's an opportunity to learn from some of the top experts in the world. It's fascinating what you can learn, who you can meet and be in a room with. You could potentially find yourself in a room with celebrities, thought leaders, and you can share your own thoughts as well. You can listen in, or you can raise your hand to be brought up as a speaker and to ask questions or share your knowledge. Now, who is Clubhouse for? It's for everyone. If you like to talk or just listen, then Clubhouse is for you. If you're a coach, an expert, an influencer, a teacher, an entrepreneur, there are massive advantages to being on the platform. I firmly believe this app will blow up just from seeing all the posts of people wanting to get on there. Clubhouse is a great way to provide value and find new followers. You could also find leads and sales from being on Clubhouse. Get your message out to the right people at the right time. Basically, you can reach a wider audience, grow your Instagram following if that's what you want to do, connect with other entrepreneurs, gain access to other valuable pieces of information, connect to other like-minded individuals. Now, first of all, how do you get on Clubhouse? Now, you do need to download the app from the Apple Store. Once you've downloaded the app, you save your username. In my case, mine is DD Creative, and you'll be added to a wait list. It is an invite-only app at this stage. Anyone in your contact list who is already on Clubhouse will get a notification that you're looking for an invite, and one of your friends might then nominate you. Once you're in the Clubhouse, you get one invite to use. Be aware that the person that you invite, you really need to trust so that they don't do the wrong thing. Why? If they do something wrong and get kicked out, you risk also being kicked off the platform. So keep that in mind. I've just started with setting up my profile. With your profile, the great thing about the Clubhouse profile, it doesn't appear to have a limit on characters. So you can write as much as you want. Now, I haven't finished mine yet, but this is what mine looks like at this stage. And you can use emojis as well. And you do have access to two links, a Twitter link and an Instagram link down the bottom. They are clickable. Anything else that you put in there as a URL or a link is not clickable. So if you're going to add one, make sure it's short. You may want to provide a bit.ly link. So yeah, adding a conversion link to maybe a free Facebook group or to join your email list or an opt-in like your lead magnet. Keep your conversion link short because it isn't clickable. So in that case, I would suggest using something like bit.ly for your link. And be sure to add some notable achievements and accomplishments. And as I said, I haven't quite finished my bio yet, but I will be adding that soon as well. And it's important to add a professional high-resolution profile picture as well. Now, how do we navigate Clubhouse? This is basically what they call the hallway. It's the main feed. And it shows all the available rooms in here as well. All right, so basically once you've clicked on a room, and actually at this stage I'm not going to click on a room because we are not allowed to record rooms. If you are found to be recording any of the conversations, you might find yourself getting kicked off the platform. Anyone can start their own room. So basically all you need to do is click on Start a Room, and you can choose whether your room will be public or private, so open or closed basically, or social. You can add a topic, and when you start a room you will become the moderator immediately. You can kick people out if they are disruptive or causing problems within the room. You can also make other people moderators in case you want to leave the room as well. You can join clubs, and you'll find clubs on people's profiles. I'll have a look at my own profile to show you an example. Right down the bottom here where it says member of, these are the clubs that I'm currently a member of. So basically clubs are a combined community of people around a common cause, and you'll find them at the bottom of each person's profile if they are a member. You can create a club as well, but you already need to be hosting a room multiple times a week before you get the opportunity to do that. So this is what it looks like inside of one of the rooms. Obviously this is just a screenshot because once you're on the app you cannot record. So basically you can see here that these are the speakers for this room. The current speaker is Nate. You can see that all the other speakers in that room, they have their microphones muted at the moment. Now, if you're inside the room and you're listening and you decide you want to leave, you simply click the leave button down the bottom left-hand corner. If you decide you wanted to speak or step up to the stage as a speaker, the hand on the bottom right, you click on that and you may be invited up to speak by one of the moderators. Now, why is Clubhouse so great? Well, people can be quite anxious when being on camera, but in Clubhouse it is audio only. So it's easier for people to speak without feeling overwhelmed. It's all about networking without the pressure. You can connect with like-minded people. And be mindful that the app can also be quite addictive, so be sure to manage your time. It can be, as I said, it can be addictive. You do need to filter out mentally what people say because not every room is going to provide value to you. So hopefully this gives you a better idea of Clubhouse and how it works. Now, I encourage you to download the app and save your username, and hopefully we will see you soon in the Clubhouse. And once you're in there, please come and find me and follow me as well.